Hello everyone, we are the future. We are learning not just to read and write but to dream big. This is the beginning of something great.
Today, we want to tell you about DAR-E-ASAAD. This institution, giving the community for the years, it's not just about education, it's about a better future for everyone.
And that's not all. We have built homes for those in need, bringing comfort and shelter to the homeless. We also provide water through our various water projects, ensuring that everything has access to the life's most basic needs.
Education is at the heart of what we do. DAR-E-ASAAD offers the best Quranic education, teaching the Holy Quran with the high standards, along with the modern education, religious studies to modern subjects. We are learning here everything. The future is bright.
Inshallah, in the future, we are expanding our institution to offer even more. This new project will offer higher education and advanced facilities. We are working on building a new institution in much needed area. This region has a much dire need of quality education. We are committed to providing it.
This institution will offer good education, modern facilities and opportunities for every child to grow and succeed. Together, with your support, we can make the dream a reality. Let's build a brighter future, one brick at a time.